Welcome, dear friends, to our French lesson for today. Today, we'll be learning about first name and surname in French. Surnames are family names, and first names are names that precede family names. The following are French words for first name and surname. Please pronounce them after me. Prénom, prénom. Nom de famille, nom de famille. Example, considering the name Kofi Mensah. Kofi is prénom, first name. Mensah is nom de famille, surname. Also, with Rosaki, Rose is prénom, Saki is nom de famille. Now, we'll ask more specific questions to solicit first name and surname. To ask the first name, we'll ask quel est ton prénom? Or formally, quel est votre prénom? Quel est ton prénom? Quel est votre prénom? How do you respond to that? If your first name is Rose, then your response would be mon prénom c'est Rose. To ask a surname, you ask quel est ton nom de famille? Quel est ton nom de famille? Or, you formally ask quel est votre nom de famille? How will you answer or respond? Mon nom de famille c'est, to be followed by the surname. If your surname is Mensah, then your response would be mon nom de famille c'est Mensah. Mon nom de famille c'est Mensah. Now, let us test our understanding on what we have learned so far. How do you ask, what is your first name in French? Your answer, please. I hope you had asked, quel est ton prénom? Or if you are speaking to your boss, an elderly person, or to show politeness, you say, quel est votre prénom? Bravo. What of if you want to ask, what is your surname in French? What will you say? How will you ask? I hope you had the correct response, and that should be quel est ton nom de famille? Or, politely or formally, quel est votre nom de famille? That depends on whom you are asking. How will you respond to such a question? I hope you had the answers intact. Hope you respond mon prénom c'est, then you follow it by your first name, or mon nom de famille c'est, to be followed by your surname. Please keep on practicing. because practice they say makes man perfect. Continue to like, share, follow, and subscribe so that we can make more videos for your consumption. Until we meet again, it is bye bye for now.